Hello everyone, welcome to Pavani Teachers. Today I came with a topic called while loop in C language. Okay, first I'll explain the syntax for this while loop. This is the syntax. First, before the while loop, we have to initialize the value. While explaining the example, you'll get to know what is initialization. Okay, after the initialization, we have to write while and we had to give braces inside the braces we had to give the condition up to which condition this while loop should get executed. Okay, now after, if the condition is true, then we have to open the curly braces. After the curly braces we have to write the statements that we need to get executed. Okay, after the statements we have to give updation. That means what we are giving the initialization before the while loop, that should be incremented or decremented after executing the statements inside the while loop. Okay, after the updation of this variable, some variable will go to check another time if the condition is true in while loop or not. If it is true, again the statements will get executed and it continues until the condition gets false. If the condition gets false, then it will get exit from the while loop. Okay, now I'll explain a simple C program, that is to sum 1 to n numbers. That means if we are taking numbers as 1 to 5 numbers, we want to get sum of those numbers. For that we write a small C program. First I'm writing the header file, that is slash include stdio.h, and now I'm writing the main function. After the main function I'm initializing the n to take the up to which number we have to write the sum the numbers. And first I'll ask the user to enter the value of n. Okay, after, by using scanf, I'll get the input. After taking the input, here I'll start using while loop. Firstly, I'll initialize the value, that is int I equal to 1, because we need to add the numbers from 1 to n. So here at beginning I am taking I as 1. This is called initializing step in while loop. Okay, after initialization we have to write while, and in braces we have to give the condition up to which this while loop should get executed. So here we have to execute this until this I becomes greater than n. Okay, I'm sorry, we have to give the true condition if I is less than or equal to n. Okay, now here in the while loop before we have to take another variable to store value of sum. In sum is equal to 0. Okay, now here in the inside the while loop we have to give the like statement as sum equal to sum plus I. That means if I is equal to 1, it will execute like sum equal to 0 plus 1. Before sum is equal to 0, so 0 plus 1, then sum will become 1. Sum will become 1. After this we'll increment I value. After increasing, it will again check this condition inside the while loop. Now I will become 2. 2 is less than some n value. If we take n is equal to 5, 2 is less than 5, so condition is true, it will go inside the while loop. Now sum is 1. Sum that means 1 plus 2, then it will become as 3. That means 1 plus 2 equal to 3. Now value of sum is 3. Again after this it will increment the value of I. Then I will become as 3. Again it will check the condition if n equal to, if suppose if I equal to I, that means if 3 is less than 5, it will go inside the while loop, and again it will execute the statement that is 3 plus 3. Okay, then sum will become as 6. Okay, and again it will increment this I value, it will become as 4. Again check this condition in while loop, and this is true. Again it will add this I value as 4, it will become as 10. Now sum is equal to 10. After this it will increment the I value, that is 5. Again it will check this condition if 5 is less than 5, yes it is true. Again it will go inside the while loop. Now it will add the 5 to the sum, which is 10. It will again it will increment this I value. Here it will again go to while loop, and it will check this condition. That means if 6 is less than 5, less than or equal to 5, this condition gets false, it will get out of this while loop, and finally print the sum. The final sum would be this. This is the statement. After the while loop we have to give this statement to print the final sum value of n 1 to n numbers. Okay, after this statement we have to return the value as 0 for main function. Okay, we'll save this program, that is sum dot c, and we'll try to execute. It is asking the value of n. I'm giving value as 5. Here we can check the sum value is 15, as we explained while iterating the program. Okay, this is how while loop works. I'll give brief explanation about this while loop. Firstly, we have to give initialization. After the initialization, we have to give while loop, and inside after the while loop, in the braces we have to give the condition up to which this while loop get executed. After giving the condition inside the while loop, we have to give some statements. After the statements, we have to give updation. That means any increment or decrement of a variable. Okay, this is how while loop works in C language. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe for further videos. Thank you.